future doctors, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving in some challenging and MDcat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is, per exisome, A. Protect cell from toxic material, B. Digest cell, C. Break down fatty acids, and D. Both A and C. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is, which of the following sets of bone does not include an axial skeleton? A. Cranium and facial bones. B. Sternum ribs vertebrae. C. Lumbar, thoracic and pelvic bones. D. Pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle and appendages. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is, diaphragm is a sheet of A. Smooth muscle, B. Cardiac muscle, C. Skeletal muscles, and D. All of the above. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is, choose the correct combination. A. Darwin, survival for the of the fittest. B. Darwin, no extension. C. Lamarck, acquired transmission. D. Both A and C. So the correct option is D. Both A and C. The next MCQ is, glucose and fructose join together through dash to form sucrose. A. 1,4-glycosidic linkage. C. B. 1,6-glycosidic linkage. C. 1,2-glycosidic linkage, and D. 1,3-glycosidic linkage. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is, dash is activated to dash by secreted the lining of deuterium by enterokinase and enteropeptidase enzyme secreted the lining of deuterium. A. Pepsinogen trypsin. B. Trypsinogen trypsin. C. Pepsinogen trypsin, and D. Chymotrypsinogen and chymotrypsin. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is, reabsorption of calcium is triggered by A. Aldosterone, B. Parathormone, C. Antidiuretic, and D. Vasopressin. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is, which statement about the cell wall of bacteria is correct? A. Gram-positive bacteria have more lipids in their cell wall. B. Gram-negative bacteria have more lipids in their cell wall. C. Lipids are absent in the cell wall of both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. D. Both have equal amount of lipids. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is, which of the following is not correct for food web? A. Start with primary consumer. B. Formed from food chain. Formed from food chain. C. Stable in food chain, and D. Complex food chain. So A is the correct option. The next MCQ is, what is the risk of colorblind baby boy in a family when mother is colorblind but father is normal? A. 25%, B. 50%, C. 75%, and D. 100%. So the correct option is D. 100%. The next MCQ is, the reason plants are considered totipotent is A. Each cell has full genetic potential of the organism. B. A single cell could become a complete plant. C. Because they have lesser potential for tissue culturing, and D. Both A and B. So the correct option is D. Both A and B. The next MCQ is, a long chain of spherical bacteria like pairs in a dash. Option is not correct. A. Question not clear. B. Question not clear. The next MCQ is, inner concave surface of Golgi complex is called dash phase. A. Ending. B. Forming. C. Starting. D. Maturing. So the correct option is D. Maturing. The next MCQ is, molecular formula of chlorophyll B is A. C55H10O4N6 Mg. B. C55 H70 O5 N4 Mg. So the correct option is B. The next MCQs is whose theory of natural selection is essentially identical to Darwin's theory. A. Hardy Winbrink. B. Alfred Wallace. C. Lyle. And D. Mathis. So the correct option is B. The next MCQs is failure of separation of sister chromatid is called a non-fusion, B non-disjunction, C fusion, and D interference. So the correct option is B. The next MCQs is source of Taq polymerase A thermos aquatics, B thermos floral, C floral aquatics. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is analogous organ shows A. Straight evolution, B. Convergent evolution, C. Zig evolution, and D. Divergent evolution. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is complete removal of taste is necessary because they if only head remains inside the intestine, it can grow again. A. Tapeworm, B. Liver fluke, C. Ascaris, and D. Pinworm. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is auditory relay center is present in A. Left cerebral hemisphere, B. Midbrain, C. Hippocampus, and D. hindbrain. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is the total aggregate of genes in a population or at any one time is called population. A. Genome, B. Gene pool, C. Genomic library, and D. Genomic group. So the correct option is B. Gene pool. The next MCQ is overgrazing results into A. Totally barren land, C. Good pastured land, C. Salinity, and D. Rock areas. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is raw material for C. Enzymes, A. Protein, B. Metalline, C. Carbohydrates, and D. Vitamins. So the correct option is D. Vitamins. The next MCQs is antibodies are A. Primary protein, is B. Secondary proteins, C. Tertiary proteins, and D. Quaternary proteins. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is in nitrogen fixation, nitrogen is converted to A. Nitrate and ammonia, B. Atomic nitrogen, C. Urea, and D. All of the above. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is site for translation is A. Nucleus, B. Nucleolus, C. Cytoplasm, and D. Ribosome. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is lymph nodes are not present in A. Neck region, B. Formed from food chain, C. Stable within food chain, and D. Complex with food chain. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is what is the risk of colorblind baby boy in a family when mother is colorblind but father is normal. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is the reason plants are considered tetrapotent is A. Each cell has full genetic potential of the organism. B. Lymph nodes are not present. A. Neck region, B. Axilla, C. Groin, and D. Spleen. So the correct option is D. Spleen. The next MCQ is guard cell function is A. The defense system, B. multisensory hydraulic valve, C hydrostatic pressure, and D all of the above. So the correct option is B. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDcat MCQs help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying. Stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.